Hello, hello. Alright, we are live, I think. Okay, cool. Let's do this. Alright. Okay, right, so let's just analyze gold real quick. Oh, hold on, what's going on here? Huh. Okay, so last week late last week, we actually had gold sales over here. So I'll be primarily focusing on gold, to be honest, as it is quite an interesting one to be honest. And same thing with Bitcoin. I'll be focusing on them too. First of all, on gold, let's actually analyze what's going on. Right. So first of all, you can see on the monthly you have finished below this level. So what does that mean on the monthly time frame? We could easily fall into the next level, which is 1560. And if that falls, we could go at the bottom of that range, which is around 1450, 1480, something like that. Okay, so just a quick levels that we can mark out there. But to be honest, we don't have to worry about this yet. We'll just leave this as an overall target for now. So we'll just disregard it, but put it as overall target. Actually, yeah, let me just emphasize the fact that I am looking at bearish sentiment for gold to continue for the rest of the year now. We have fallen below the yearly low, the yearly start of how the year started on gold. Let me see it as well. Yeah. So in a span of, let's say, 10 years. Look at that, we're back at highs. Okay, we're back at the same level we were 10 years ago. This is yeah, this is not good for gold. Gold seems to be dropping quite a bit here, and it actually hasn't grown that much, and we could see another leg down like this one, potentially like this one, happen to gold again. But you know, we'll get to there when we get there, right? Yeah, okay. And as for the weekly level, we have a weekly close level over here, which we'll target first. So we our first target, our intraday, intra-week target. You can call it intra-week target, but I'm just gonna call it a weekly close because I know what that would mean for me. And this one is targets as well. So these are little targets that we can hit on gold, and as momentum continues, we're looking to get to this next level. For example, like this one, we could wait for retracement and then push back down below. Then we can look to take that weekly close. If that weekly close gets taken, then the next level we're looking for is targets over here. After that gets taken, obviously we're looking at the overall targets down here. But yeah, okay, look for the daily time frame now. As for the daily time frame, we can see here that we created equal highs on the daily. What does that mean? Equal highs? That means there is a liquidity pool waiting up here. Why is that the case? That is the case because price pushed down, so there was loads of sellers looking to get in this level, right? And then you can see that they had enough market power to actually move the price down. So there wasn't enough selling interest to push price down here, not enough buyers to mitigate it. Again, exactly the same happening with the exact same point in time over here. Price pushed up, looked to retest this level, and looked for these people to actually hold their position, and that's exactly what they did. They held their position. So that means there's a lot of sellers actually caught in this area right here. But whereas the people that traded this to begin with already probably took their their profits out. So these people are potentially going to get trapped once we push past this level, and they're probably going to be forced to close their positions, pushing price up a little bit, so we can expect a little bit of a impulsive move. And then potentially, if we do finish back down below this level, we could look for retracement and a continuation down to weekly close. That's what we're looking at. Hold on, I'm just gonna get a drink. 1 second. Alright, we're back. Got my drink, got my coffee. Right, okay. Yeah, as I was saying, so daily level over here. Looking to get involved around these sorts of levels, right? So as soon as we finish back down below, what can we see there? That's a fake out. So loads of people are looking to get loads of shorts are going to be trapped there. Now we're looking to take it to the downside. Right. Cool. Okay. Looking at 12 hour over here. So 12 hour, I normally have a VWAP on, but it's a quarterly VWAP. Unfortunately, the quarter has just started, so there's really no point of having a quarterly VWAP. So I'll just put an anchor. I'll anchor the VWAP myself. I'll look at the top of the range, basically. You can see what we're starting to do is just be below this VWAP over here, this second deviation over here. What I can imagine is this level right here. Probably end up being the third deviation if I do this, right? Lower band over here. You can see, yeah. It's very, very close, right, to the third deviation. I'm not gonna have the third deviation because I don't really use it, but just a point of reference. There you go. So yeah, we're looking to stay below this this VWAP over here, as the trend is, you can see, overall very much bearish right now.